This is my new Wi-Fi multimedia 1080 HD projector from FANGOR. It's the FANGOR-506 HD projector with built-in Wi-Fi mirroring and Bluetooth, which makes it super versatile, easy to use, and convenient for all your needs. So let's have a look what it comes with. Beautiful carry bag. Oh, wow. So everything is protected in little plastic wrappers. So you get the padded carry case, very secure, the FANGOR-506 HD projector, complete with lens cover. You get an AV cable, a VGA cable, a HDMI cable, an awesome mini tripod, the AC adapter power cable, and a handy remote control and the user manual. The FANGOR-506 HD projector is compatible with TV stick, HDMI, VGA, USB, laptop, iOS, and Android. So you can do practically anything you want, wherever you want with it. It's so versatile. The FANGOR-506 provides sharp and high-detailed, high-def images with native resolution of 1920 by 1080 and contrast ratio of 6,000:1. The projector combines an innovative high refraction 6 layers glass lens, ensuring you the best video experience. What I'm super excited about is the FANGOR-506 HD projector has the latest Wi-Fi connecting function, allowing it to be compatible with your smartphone. You don't need any converting cable, just a simple one-time Wi-Fi connection, and then you can connect your device with the projector whenever you want to use it. It also has built-in stereo sound speaker, providing you every detailed sound to enjoy the audio from different scenes. Plus, with Bluetooth, you can connect your ideal Bluetooth speaker wirelessly or headphones at any time. This portable projector is super compatible and very versatile and has HDMI, AV, VGA, and SD card import, which allows you to use it with laptop, PCs, TV box, TV stick, Roku, Chromebook, tablets, Blu-ray, DVD player, micro SD card, USB flash drive, media players for music, pictures, video, and of course, your smartphones. FANGOR is a great company which has been specializing in the production and development of projectors for 10 years.